Alright guys, back for another update. Things look familiar probably. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a shot of everything and then things look a little different. Where's all those bags? Where's the cans? Where's everything actually? Well, the answer to that's easy. It's all garbage. Pretty much. There was a lot of food in this area underneath the TV. That was food, lots of olive oil, lots of paper towels and toilet paper. So we were fucking stocked for the apocalypse. And this is all shit bought in like the 90s. He just forgot. So yeah, all of this is gone. I'm impressed. We did a lot today. Soon we will tackle this room. And like I said, this room, I've said it before in the other videos, is going to be the most work because of how completely filled it is. But don't let that fool you. This was pretty freaking packed. Like, I mean, whew. There's a Mr. Walter. There he goes. Okay, he's inside. Garbage pile update. If you remember yesterday, there was nothing. Pretty much. But if you remember now, because you're looking at this now, it's a whole lot of freaking garbage. Let's inspect today. Bricks. Closet door. That wasn't from the garage. It was just stored in there for some reason. Chemicals. Lots of them. Really old boxes that were filled with nothing. What else? Some fucking rusty dolly. Most of this was covered in rat piss and or shit. So to be honest, some usable things were deemed unusable because of the smell. And I'm glad you guys didn't have to smell that. There's all these cabinet doors I took off. And these two are from my mom's room. They're just old bedside tables that have served their purpose. But yeah, garbage is way bigger today.